Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I want to show you how I did these cute marble looks, so if you're interested, keep watching. So I'm going to start off with my practice finger from Flexi Finger and my number 10 Glitterbels brush. And I'm just going to start off with applying a bead of Snowdrops white and glass slippers from Glitterbels, and I'm going to do that again because I want to create like this weird milky background, but I don't want it to look, I want some bits to look like clear and some bits to look white, if that makes sense. And I picked up 2 really wet beads of color and I made sure that they kind of blended together but not too much, and I applied that over the white bit because it will make the color stand out more. And then go in with your glitter of choice and then basically repeat that. It's quite easy. Just make sure that your beads are wet so everything blends, because if your bead is too dry it will stay where you put it. As you can tell, those beads are wet, and now when I blend them they look really nice instead of just in one spot. And the shades I'm using today are Queen Bee for the yellow, and then Dragon Fruit for the hot pink, and then the glitter I already mentioned I think is Chunky Star. And feel free to go in and add your color where you need it over the top of other colors or not. Just make sure they're wet so they blend and no one will be able to tell you've added them on top. So that's the good thing about acrylic. And the Glitterbels brush I'm using is the round, if in case I haven't mentioned that. It's a new favorite of mine. I love round brushes now. So do check that out. I will be linking everything I'm using down below, including the tips and the Flexi Finger and all the colors. So now I'm going in with those 2 colors again, and I'm just applying those really wet. And I'm trying not to create too much of an orange here, because I realized it made a lot of orange and it didn't really show up as yellow, so I'm trying to make that stand out more. I also wanted to mention, when you pick up your white and clear bead, pick up the clear bead first and then the white, so that you can really push that clear into the white when you place it on the nail and create that milky effect. So that's really important. Do it that way. Don't do it the other way, otherwise the white will just overpower that clear and then it will just make it will look like a milky white. But I want to have like a bit of white spots and then clear spots in there, so that won't happen if you pick up the white first. So now I'm just repeating that down the nail. I've kind of changed the direction of the marble a little bit. It was going from right to left, and then to a bit further down the bottom I decided to go from left to right a little bit. You can always do that with marble, it's just fun to do. And this video is not really a how to do marble the right way. This is just how I was doing it at the time because I was bored, so I just started doing some stuff with acrylic and I really liked the outcome, so I hope you enjoyed it too. If you have enjoyed this video so far, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. That would mean a lot to me. Thank you to everyone who's showing so much love to my videos. It really means the world to me. So now for this next nail, I'm doing like that traditional marbling technique. This one's quite easy. It's not really, well, it won't be easy to everyone, but it's not the hardest out there. So you just basically plop down 3 colors. I just chose clear white and then green, and then you just use the tip of your brush, make sure it's nice and pointy or flat or whatever, and then just swoosh through your colors like that, just like that. And don't put too much pressure or they won't marble very well. And I also want to mention, keep everything thin, don't keep it bulky if you can. I know it's difficult for beginners to start off like with a thin surface after they apply their acrylic. Trust me, I've been there. It's just so annoying, but just try to use less product and it will be fine. If you just use very little product, even if you've used up like the tiniest amount on the nail, it's better than having a bulky nail and then just fill in those spaces that you missed. So that one's really quick. I just added the glitter in between, and that's that one done. I don't know what I'm doing here. But yes, that is that. So for this one, I'm using the shade Tiffany Teal, the blue color. Oh, sorry, I forgot to mention the green I used before. That one is called Crazy Frog. It's just a bright orange, I guess. So skipping forward to this bit, I don't know why I skipped. I think I messed it up, so I just skipped forward to it. But yes, I wanted to show you, if you mess it up, like right now it looks a little bit messy, I'm going in with that blue color and I'm just adding that dimension back in, because I've lost a lot of that color to the white and the milky, like the milky white color I've made. So I'm just going in and adding some of that blue, and no one will know. So it's hard not to mess up as a beginner. So if you do, this is one way to fix it. You can just go in over the top and add in the colors where you need, and then any really bad bits, if you want, just cover those up with glitter if you're using glitter. And here I'm just picking up those 3 colors again. In this method I used the 3 beads and I just picked them up and put them down. So I did the white, the clear and the Tiffany teal, and then I put them down. So then I'm just adding in all those 3 again. I'm just trying my hardest to marble them, basically. That's pretty much what this whole video is. It's just me trying to make colors look good together, and I thought they looked quite good in the end. Yeah, let me know what you think. Let me know which one is going to be your favorite. I think mine was definitely let's just say the last one. I really like the last one I did, so stay tuned for that if you want to know what I'm talking about. Yeah, so just going in again, and that's pretty much that nail done. I will be showing you all these at the end again. So this one was my favorite nail, and this one is more like a white and clear inspired nail, like that cloud look. And it's, for this one I used soft white shimmer and clear. I didn't use any white just to see if it would give off a better effect. It was pretty much the same. It just had a shimmer in there, so you can't really tell on camera, but in real life you can. And this one's probably the easiest nail. I just got the 2 colors and I just marbled them around in the exact same direction using the tip of my brush to go in and blend those colors. And now here I'm trying to change the direction of the marble. I was thinking of doing a set like this on me, but we'll see. Let me know if you want to see that, like a set of this on me with some maybe gold in there or something. We'll see. I think I'm gonna do that next. And that was that done. Like, it was just easy. That's it. And now here I'm just going to show you me encapsulating one finger. So I'm just got a big bead of clear and I'm just pushing that up. I always make sure that my cuticle is perfect before anything else. And then I used the body of the brush to push that clear down. And then when it gets to the tip, when I see the acrylic is thinning out a lot, then I just drag it down so it blends nicely. And then I'm picking up another bead with my cuticle bead. I don't go as wet with it, and then because I want the cuticle area to be nice and neat, I don't want it to flood. But with the rest of the beads, I picked them up kind of wet. So yes, if you, in case you were struggling with that, so you can tell they disperse a bit. They are a little wet, so that makes them easier to just drag down and fill in all those like bumps and gaps, I guess, that I had during marbling. And this is one I did earlier, like before I started the video, just practicing what I'm gonna do, I guess, and I think this looks cool, so I just wanted to show you guys. So now I'm using rainbow stars from Glitterbels, and I wanted to kind of add some glitter, something to this nail. These are their rainbow stars. I got this recently. They're so nice. I love them. And the good thing about this glitter is they're not stiff glitters. They're like almost a really, really thin sheet. So they bend super easy, which means you don't get that annoying glitter sticking up or sticking out. So I really like that a lot. So I did not encapsulate this finger yet. I want to do the glitter first, and then I was going to encapsulate on top. So I've just top coated, and then I'm using the same top coat brush to pick up those glitters, and then I'm just placing them on the nail. And this glitter comes with different sizes. They are all holographic. Yeah, they're just amazing. I've always been wanting these stars, and then I just thought I'm just gonna buy them off Glitterbels. I was looking on AliExpress, but AliExpress is honestly just taking so long with the shipping, so I just was like, I'm just gonna buy it on Glitterbels, even though it is more money, but I'm just gonna do it because I want them. So here I am top coating the green nail. I didn't put them in my flexi finger for top coating because they were in the lamp. And then this one is absolutely one of the, I think this one was the coolest one. I think this one looks really cool. Probably my second favorite. And you can just see those glitters come out. I love Chunky Star. It's such a good silver glitter, and it's holographic too. That's an added bonus. So this one is the Tiffany teal one, and now I thought of adding some gold foil. Now I'm gonna mess up, not on purpose, but I will fix it in the end. So if you guys ever have done this too, here's how to fix it. So I'm just applying my foil, and as you can tell, the first two were like absolutely massive and it looks so weird in my opinion. So I'm gonna fix that, and you're gonna see how I'm gonna do it. And I thought of adding some gold, which looked really cool. I really like the gold. I wish I had gold stars, but it's fine. But I didn't have silver foil, so here I'm just getting a brush with some acetone, and I'm wiping away those foils, and that did the job perfectly. I love how this nail turned out. Like I said, it was my favorite. Let me know if you want this nail, you want to see this nail being done on me, on all my fingers. I will be more than happy to do that for you. And that was pretty much it for this video, guys. I really enjoyed all the nails. Let me know down below what you think, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.